Many gamers find a wireless gaming headset is not a necessity in their gaming setup. Both the PS5 and Xbox Series X come equipped with a built-in headphone jack in their controllers, and this feature is also present in the Nintendo Switch and most gaming PCs. It's worth noting that the cost of an acceptable wireless headset often surpasses that of a comparable wired model. While the convenience of a wireless headset is undeniable, especially for those who value freedom of movement, it's crucial to weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks. Investing in a wireless gaming headset should be a thoughtful decision, considering factors such as budget, audio quality preferences, and the specific gaming environment. For those interested in exploring wireless options, keep in mind that the rounded-up selections provided here are worth considering, but it's always advisable to assess individual needs and preferences before making a final decision. All product links are in the description. 1. Audeze Maxwell. Considered the best gaming headsets among gamers, the Audeze Maxwell stands out with its remarkable features, despite being characterized by its bulkiness and a higher price point of $299 or $329 for the Xbox model. This headset offers a comprehensive package, boasting unusually detailed audio quality, a robust microphone, extended battery life, and a sturdy design. In terms of specifications, the Audeze Maxwell boasts a closed-back enclosure, planar magnetic drivers, and a frequency response ranging from 10 to 50,000 Hz. The detachable boom microphone enhances the gaming experience, and the headset supports various connectivity options, including 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth 5.3, 3.5mm, USB-C digital audio, and Xbox wireless. The headset weighs 490 grams, providing a sturdy yet comfortable feel during extended gaming sessions. The Audeze Maxwell's audio performance is driven by its planar magnetic drivers, excels in reproducing smaller intricacies within a given scene. The default sound signature provides a refined version of the common gaming headset sound, featuring smooth and impactful bass that is well controlled. The highs are crisp, avoiding excessive sharpness. Although some mid-range effects may sound thin, the closed-back design limits the immersive width and precise imaging compared to open-back models, which are rare in the wireless gaming headset market. One of the standout features of the Audeze Maxwell is its detachable boom microphone. This microphone impressively mutes background noise, delivering clear and full sound quality to your voice, surpassing the performance of many other wireless headsets. The bulky design, featuring a steel headband with a unique suspension mechanism, may not be adjustable while the headset is on, but it contributes to an overall substantial and durable feel. The Audeze Maxwell offers versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth, a 3.5mm cable, and a USB-C wireless dongle. Additionally, it supports dual device pairing, enabling connections to both the dongle and another device via Bluetooth simultaneously. The battery life of the Audeze Maxwell is rated at approximately 80 hours, although actual usage time may vary based on factors like volume level and the use of features such as Bluetooth or side tone. While it may not be the longest-lasting option on the market, the battery life is substantial enough to avoid feeling like a hindrance during extended gaming sessions. 2. HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless. The HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless presents a compelling option for those seeking a wireless gaming headset with an outstanding 300+ hours of battery life, coupled with a highly comfortable design and satisfactory sound quality relative to other wireless gaming headsets. In terms of specifications, the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless features a closed-back enclosure, dynamic drivers, and a frequency response ranging from 15 to 21,000 Hz. The detachable microphone enhances versatility, and the headset connects via 2.4 GHz wireless technology, ensuring a stable wireless connection. With a weight of 335 grams, it strikes a balance between comfort and durability. For individuals who find the Audeze Maxwell beyond their budget but still desire a wireless option, the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless is a worthy consideration. Although it represents a downgrade in terms of audio quality and features compared to its higher-end counterparts, its affordability, often available in the $150 range, makes it an attractive choice. The standout feature here is the astonishingly long battery life, with HyperX claiming up to 300 hours per charge. In real-world usage, users have reported being able to squeeze out even more hours at moderate volumes, making it a headset that could last months of playtime on a single charge. The HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless follows the typical gaming headset profile with a generally V-shaped sound signature, featuring overemphasized bass that adds excitement to game effects but may compromise clarity in finer details such as footsteps. As a closed-back headphone, it lacks the spacious and natural sound of more open pairs but remains competitive in the wireless gaming headset category. The comfort factor is a plus, with plush padding that allows for extended wear without feeling overly tight. While the faux leather earpads might induce mild warmth, it generally proves easier to wear for extended periods compared to bulkier alternatives like the Maxwell. The headset's build quality is commendable, with a sturdy construction and a flexible headband ensuring durability. The boom microphone performs well in canceling background noise, maintaining clear and legible voices. However, as with most wireless headsets, the audio quality may not match that of wired headphones with high-quality microphones. It's worth noting a couple of caveats with the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless. Firstly, the companion software, HyperX's Ingenuity app, has been reported as buggy by some users. While it allows customization of the headset's EQ and activation of a DTS-X surround sound feature, noticeable latency issues have been reported. To work around this, users may opt for third-party EQ apps and utilize the spatial audio tools built into Windows and the PS5. Secondly, the headset's connectivity is limited to PCs, PlayStation consoles, or a Switch while docked. Additionally, it does not support a wired connection or Bluetooth. 3. Corsair Virtuoso Pro. The Corsair Virtuoso Pro, priced at $200, stands out as one of the limited dedicated gaming headsets featuring an open-back design. Similar to the Astro A40, it delivers a wider and more spacious sound profile compared to typical gaming headsets, although it might feel narrower than the normal open-back headphones recommended above. The Virtuoso Pro offers a relatively dark sound signature with elevated bass and predominantly underemphasized treble, although the clarity in the treble frequencies surpasses that of the A40. This audio profile proves favorable in certain gaming scenarios, such as first-person shooters like Halo Infinite, where explosions have more impact, and distant gunshots are easier to distinguish. However, with other games, the balance may be less ideal, with certain sounds like car engines in a racing game appearing too loud, and dialogue in an RPG like Baldur's Gate 3 sounding somewhat off. The Virtuoso Pro's microphone, while less muffled than the A40's, still falls on the thinner side, presenting decent performance in comparison to other headsets on the market. The headset features a well-built design with a refined aesthetic, though the headband adjustment mechanism may feel somewhat cheap. Notably, the microphone cannot be detached without entirely swapping out cables. The round, breathable ear cups and lightweight design at 0.75 pounds contribute to ease of wear, and the inclusion of a sturdy travel case ensures protection during transportation. Ultimately, the Corsair Virtuoso Pro serves as a commendable alternative to the A40 for those seeking a dedicated headset with a clearer microphone. 4. Logitech G Pro X2 Lightspeed. The Logitech G Pro X2 Lightspeed emerges as a formidable contender in the wireless gaming headset arena, and would likely be our top pick if the Audeze Maxwell weren't in the picture. Offering superior sound quality compared to the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless, the G Pro X2 Lightspeed delivers satisfying yet controlled bass, coupled with more accurate mids. Additionally, it weighs less on the head than the Audeze Maxwell, contributing to a more comfortable gaming experience. Logitech rates the G Pro X2 Lightspeed's battery life at an impressive 50 hours, but our testing revealed it to last even longer at moderate volumes. However, it's essential to note that a slight dip in the treble can give the headset a darker and more veiled sound compared to the Maxwell. The microphone, while proficient, imparts a slightly less natural tone to voices when compared to our primary wireless picks. The G Pro X2 Lightspeed boasts versatile connectivity options, allowing users to connect via a USB dongle, Bluetooth, or a 3.5mm cable. However, it lacks the capability to pair with two devices simultaneously, a feature present in the Maxwell. Priced at $250, it may find itself in a somewhat ambiguous pricing range, but it stands out as a compelling option, especially if it ever goes on sale. The Logitech G Pro X2 Lightspeed impresses with its superior audio quality, lightweight design, and robust battery life. While it may not quite match the Audeze Maxwell in certain aspects, it remains an excellent choice, particularly for those seeking a high-performing wireless gaming headset with a balanced blend of features and affordability, especially if there's an opportunity to snag it at a discounted price. 5. SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X. For Xbox users seeking a more budget-friendly alternative to the Audeze Maxwell, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X emerges as a commendable choice. Priced affordably, it caters to those who prioritize wireless functionality without sacrificing too much in terms of performance. This headset features a bass-forward profile, aligning with the preferences of many gaming enthusiasts. The microphone on the Arctis Nova 7X is comparable to that of the Cloud Alpha Wireless, ensuring decent voice clarity during gaming sessions. Like other models in the Nova series, it provides multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth and a 3.5mm cable. While primarily marketed for Xbox use, it also extends its compatibility to PCs and PS5s, offering versatility in gaming setup configurations. However, it's essential to note that the Arctis Nova 7X falls short in battery life compared to our top picks, offering around 30 hours of usage. While this duration may not match the longevity of some premium models, it still provides a reasonable amount of playtime on a single charge. One potential drawback is that the headset may exhibit unevenness in the treble range, impacting the overall audio experience. Despite this, the Arctis Nova 7X stands out as a practical choice for Xbox users looking for a wireless gaming headset that balances affordability and performance. It offers flexibility and connectivity options, making it suitable for a range of gaming platforms. While it may not compete with the top-tier models in certain aspects, its cost-effectiveness makes it a valuable option for those on a budget.